I'm gonna create a spicy gin Rickey. Thank you, Erica, for submitting your recipe on our frame board. What we have here is gin. We have some jalapenos, unfortunately no fresh ones. Some cucumber slices, fresh lime juice. Instead of just simple syrup, I decided to go for elderflower syrup. Let's start with 20 ounces of gin. I'm gonna go for this one because this one is slightly pinkish, orange flavored. So half an ounce of lime juice, a quarter ounce of simple syrup, 3 slices of cucumber, 1 slice of jalapeno, and now just the soda. Getting the soda. Okay, but how much club soda to fill it up? I should have muddled the cucumber and the jalapeno slices. I didn't even look at the steps. Just doing this directly in the glass. I have to stock up on my cocktail equipment. Getting the ice. Mix it up. Oopsie. Fill it up with club soda. Ooh. And a slice of jalapeno. Let's see. Really good. It's very like mild. I think you can put more jalapeno if you want to, but let's add some more syrup because it's like really like limey. Let's make it a bit more sweet. I call this remixing the cocktail. Let's try again. I would say that the elderflower syrup, the cucumber, and the jalapeno taste goes super well together. Cheers. Thanks, Erica, for your cocktail. It's great. And thanks, Satokrates, for making this happen. Cheers.